Hi, my name is Mads Jespersen and I'm from FlowHow. In FlowHow, we do consultancy work on injection molding parts mainly and sell Moldex3D for injection molding simulations. In this video, I want to show you some small features inside the fixed mesh tools, and in this case, I would focus on extract elements and modify thickness. If you have a mesh model that you have done some work on, a surface mesh model, and want to change some wall thicknesses, um, instead of going back all the way back and importing a new part, you can try to modify the existing part. For example, if I want this surface or the wall thickness here to be thicker, I could modify the wall thickness by hitting this, modify wall thickness. And if I don't have this tick mark on, I tick here, and it only takes one element. And you can say, okay, I go up here and say 0.2 maybe. And you can see it modifies this area. If I say undo to that, I could also do it with a total face. So I could hit the modified thickness and say now I spread the selection from hit face. If I hit this one, it takes the whole surface, and I say okay to this, and again I say maybe 0.3, and it moves the surface 0.3 out and makes a bigger wall thickness. Just hit undo. If I then want to make a, let's say I would have just for a very fast trial, have a flow leader going down here in the center. I would have it on the inside maybe. Then I could extract elements, say this one, okay, and say, okay, I want a flow leader like that. It's not very, of course, it's very rough. Maybe I should bring this one into that too and say these elements. Let's see, yeah. And then I can say modify thickness. Oh, I forgot this one, sorry. Hit space for taking this again. Command, keep shift down like that. Say okay. Just turn around so I know which way it's going, that way, and I just write 0.2, and we can see inside now we got a flow leader. It's not very fine, but it gives a fast model for simulation. Okay, that's it for now. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day. Bye bye.